Hey there everybody, this is John Barton, JB Cases. We are here with the weekly showcase for the week of 21st of February 2022. So let's rock it and get this going here. That is really weird. Why is that like... Huh. Alright guys, give me 1 minute here. I'm going to play with the recording here and see what's going on, why this is not all in the right space. Sorry about that. Give me 1 moment. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Now we're set. Let's do it. Okay. First case I got here is for Jack Attack. Bright orange, safety orange. Says King of the Slate Pro Shop. There you go. That's a pretty cool name for a pro shop, don't you think? King of the Slate, Jack Attack, safety orange. I gotta say, honey, this orange looks deeper than the oranges we usually had. It's kind of richer. You know what I mean? Is it the same? Do you feel like it's the same?
Yes.
I don't. I feel like it's a little bit deeper, a little bit richer.
Brighter.
Brighter, yeah. Anyway, there you go. 3x6, black and orange. Alright, next one I have here is a 2x5, 3x4, gray with black piping, slate gray stitching, 1 strap. And this one has light blue, tournament blue interior. There you go. Wow, honey, these are so clean. Alright, this one here is black and white and baby blue.
I like that.
Isn't that nice? It's pretty. And this one has a tournament blue interior. There you go. Very nice. 3x6 shafts. Aw, what is this? This was hidden from me. Look at this. This is so cool. Look at all these colors. And My Little Pony too. Aww. Rainbow Dash. Am I weird for knowing that as a 50-year-old?
Hey, everybody has kids, they all know.
I know. You know what I wanted to do one day? This was an idea that I had, but it would never get approval. But the idea was I wanted to create like a room, like a business where parents could go in and they could beat up these cartoon characters. Like there would be like people or big giant stuffed animals like made in the image of these cartoon characters, and we just get to go in and just beat them up because we're tired of hearing about them when we were when our kids were little, right?
They have the break room now. You can just go in
and break it. Yeah.
Everything. Yeah, just bring your own thing.
So this one here is black and white. Black with white piping, white stitching, and we have a little, a very small embroidery monogram right there for Sly. And there you go. 4 butts, 8 shafts. Alright, this one here is a 4x8 digital camo with the molly webbing on here, 1 strap, gray. And this one is, let's see what color interior. Got a gray interior. I love this color. Look at that. Alright, next camo I have here is, I got another 4x8 with a woodland camoed look on it. There you go. Backpack straps. And it says Tony Pagel. Tony Pagel? Sorry, Tony, if I butchered your name. I didn't mean to. And this one has a brown 4x8 interior. Very cool. Okay, this one here is a 4x8 in blue and red and black with backpack straps, red stitching, red zipper pulls. It's actually got red and blue zipper pulls. See that? How cool is that? So a lot of you guys don't know that. You can change the zipper pulls on each area. And we have a nice deep red interior. Look at that, how pretty that is. Very nice. Alright, next one I have here is, I have black and green 2x5. This thing's got like a billion tags on it. Alright, for Mikey, there you go. One strap, green stitching. And what color interior do we have in this? 2x5/3x4. There you go. Alright, next one I have here is olive green and brown and black. Backpack straps with tan stitching and kind of a saddle brown, light saddle brown tan zipper pulls with a black 3x6 interior. There you go. And then here I have yellow, white, and black 2x5, 3x4. There you go. And this one has, let's see, I think this one has a pocket tray inside. There you go. Got a pocket tray inside there. Very cool. And let's see what color interior we have in here. Have a tournament blue, 3 butts, 4 shafts interior. Okay, then the last case I have here is I have a black and purple 4x8. And it says here, Mr. and Mrs. Smith on here. Didn't we already do a case for this couple before? I think we did. I thought we did one that said Mr. and Mrs. Smith on it. So this one here has a deeper lid, 4 butts, 8 shafts in purple, and white stitching. So there you go. Is this one going to get a ball holder or something?
No, they say they want taller lid, but they don't want
Got it. Perfect.
holders.
All right, folks. I think that's it for the customs, right?
Yeah.
All right, that's it for the customs, and we will be doing an auction later this week. So tune in for that. Maybe tomorrow, right?
I don't know when is the shipment gonna come.
Okay, but we're getting some cases up there, so we could do an auction.
Mini one.
All right. So anyway, you guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and just remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, jbcases.com. Use our designer. Play around with it as much as you like, and we will build you the case of your dreams. Thank you. Bye bye.